Hello whale traders, today in this video I'm gonna show you a simple 1 minute scalping strategy that will give you good amount of profit and will give you high win rate. So are you ready for this? This strategy is very simple and will not require a lot of technical knowledge. Even a 15 year 17-year old boy can do this trading, and it will give you immense profit and PNR ratio, because I will tell you all the ins and out of this strategy, so you don't have to worry about this. So first of all, we will go to indicators. We need only one indicator for this strategy, that is smooth moving average. And for this strategy we will be going to setting and we'll be changing our smooth moving average to 200. So once this happen, we will change it color to red, as I always do with 200 moving average. So after changing it to red, now the rules are very simple. First of all, whenever things goes up to 200 moving average, we will be looking for a sell position. We will be opening a sell position, and whenever the candles goes below the 200 moving average, we will be looking for short trades. Uh, so here you can see, whenever the candles goes above the 200 moving average, whenever it crosses it, it goes for a bullish movement. You can see how much, if I can give you the amount of gain from this trade, it is about 1.35%, and you can get a lot of all, if I say like 20 or 30 such opportunities all the day, then I am not wrong. Then I will not be wrong. I think you can achieve such. If we close this one, you can see how many times the price crosses the 200 EA smooth moving average for all the day. You can see how many opportunities you can utilize this one. You can see how much gain. Then you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You can see these are a lot of opportunities for you. So I hope now I will tell you certain rule for this trading strategy. So first rule is, we will be open or trade after the first crossing closes above the 200 EMA in case of a long position. For example, in this case, if you see that, if I zoom this one, whenever it crosses 200 EMA and it closes above this 200 EMA, then you will open a long trade. If I can open this position right, and your stop loss should be below the previous swing, or you can also take it more close to like this 200 EMA. So I think that will be a lot better, because that is a very tight stop loss, and if it goes back to this one, that means it is opposite trend, going to be an opposite trend, and you will open the trade for the opposite trend, because our stop loss is such a low stop loss. If you can see that 4 to 5 4.5 risk to reward ratio, you can see our stop loss is only 23 pips, and our target or profit is 10400 pips. So you can see that we can have some losing trade using this strategy, but that's totally fine because there are a lot of trades that will give you a lot of gain. For example, in this case, if I open a short position here, here it closes crosses below 200 EMA, but the second candle didn't close below 200 EMA, so we will wait. So it crosses 200 EMA, then it closes below 200 EMA second candle, so we will open our short trade. So here our stop loss will be on 200 EMA, so 8 pips stop loss, and we still got a 20 pip profit. So I will look for any losing trade. So here we can see, if we analyze this one, you can see it closes below 200 EMA second candle. If we open it a short trade here, if we open a short trade here and our stop loss is 200 EMA, we got a losing trade. So if we go again here, second candle, we open again a short trade, you can see here how much we gain, almost 48 pip. So you can see 48 pip profit in this trade and 17 pip loss in this trade. A lot of profit from trade like this. So this strategy has its downside also, but it benefit that is most lucrative thing is that you have a very tight stop loss, so you are gaining a lot of profit, but your loss is very minimum. So now I will give you another tip for this strategy to make it more stronger. That tip is, before taking the trade, second rule I have tell you that we will wait for two candles. Third thing that you can analyze is, you will see for a trend line. You will use a trend line. For example, here it closes below the 200 EMA, and we will draw a trend line. We will draw a trend line, and if you can analyze this trade, you can see there are a lot of red candles, almost 7 red candles. So there seems a bounce back from that one, so that's why we got a loss trade in this case. But if you see here, you can see when it bounced back from 200 EMA, there are no too many red candles that it need to be to a consolidation. So whenever it crosses 200 EMA, you should also look for the previous candles. If those previous candles are opposite candles, then this one will be in a profitable. Let's analyze for another thing. Here you can see the previous candles are green one, mostly green one upward. So you can you expect a good downward trend. Similarly here, you can see whenever it crosses 200 EMA, the previous one was a red candle, and they are not continuous green candles. There are engulfing candles which show more stronger trend. So here you can see this one was a loss trade. Why? Because when it crossed the 200 EMA, the previous one were already red candles, so the momentum was lost because momentum was already the selling pressure was already almost exhausted. So that thing you should keep in mind so that you can get a profitable trade. So I hope things are clear to you, and I hope you can clearly understand this strategy. This 1 minute scalping strategy can give you good profits if you use my points carefully. So points are simple. Whenever it crosses 200 EMA, wait for the second candle and also see if the previous candles are too many same candles, then you will not go for the trade. But if they are engulfing candles, like in this case, like here, engulfing, then engulfing, then engulfing, then you will go for the trade. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.